Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam logins saying password is wrong. One of the most frustrating Steam login issues occurs when you enter the correct password, but Steam repeatedly tells you that your password is incorrect. This problem can happen due to entering the wrong type of login information, confusion between your Steam account name and your email address, incorrect saved account details, or account-related authentication issues. Many users do not realize that Steam typically requires your Steam account name for login rather than your email address. Fortunately, there are several methods you can use to find your correct account name and regain access to your Steam account without immediately resetting your password. The first thing you should do is make sure you are signing in using your Steam account name and not your email address. When you open the Steam login page, enter the username that was created when your Steam account was first made. If you are unsure what your Steam account name is, you can find it from the Steam configuration files stored on your computer. Open File Explorer. Then navigate to your Steam installation folder, which is commonly located in Program Files 86 Steam. Open the folder named Config. Inside this folder, locate the file config.vdf. Right-click the file, select Open with Notepad. Once the file opens, click Edit Find. Search for the word Account. Look through the search results, and you should see your Steam account name listed in the information below or near the relevant account entries. Copy your account name exactly as it appears, then return to the Steam login page and paste it into the account name field. After entering your correct account name, type your password again and try signing in. If you still cannot access your account, the next step is to use Steam's official account recovery option. On the Steam login page, click Help, I can't sign in. Steam will open the account recovery page with different options. Select I forgot my Steam account name or password. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Steam may ask you to verify your identity using your email address, phone number, or other account recovery methods. Once your identity is confirmed, you can reset your password or recover your account information. It is important to understand that a wrong password message does not always mean your password is actually incorrect. It can also happen because of using your email instead of your Steam account name, typing errors or incorrect keyboard settings, an outdated or incorrect saved login credential, account authentication or recovery issues, a compromised account that may require recovery. A common mistake many users make is repeatedly attempting to sign in with the same information dozens of times. Multiple failed attempts may trigger temporary security measures and delay access. Another common mistake is creating a new Steam account because they believe their old account is lost, when their original account can often be recovered through Steam's account recovery tools. To summarize, fixing a Steam login that says your password is wrong starts by ensuring that you are using your Steam account name instead of your email address. If you do not remember your account name, go to Program Files 86 Steam, Config, config.vdf, open the file with Notepad, and search for the word account to locate your login name. If the problem continues, click Help, I can't sign in on the Steam login page, select I forgot my Steam account name or password, and follow the recovery steps. These methods help you confirm that you are using the correct account credentials and guide you through Steam's official recovery process if you still cannot log in. And that's how to fix Steam saying your password is wrong even when you believe it is correct. By verifying your Steam account name, checking your stored account information, and using Steam's account recovery tools, you can solve most login problems and regain access to your games and account. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.